Good morning, students. Welcome back to this session. So, dear student, in the previous session, we are discussed about the modern form of communication. What are the modern device or equipments are used for the communicate. So, in this session, we are also continued. Continued means some device you can studying the some device for the this session and next sessions also. The first session we are discussing what are the modern form of communication is existing, and in details you can study the one by one session. In this session we are discussing about internet and email, blending carbon copy and carbon copy. So, introduction. Widespread access to the internet is now a common feature of workplace, and it is important that both employers and employee have an understanding of the benefits and the problem that such access can be bring. An organization should aim to gain the maximum value from the internet and email, while remaining awareness of the technical and commercial risk that can arise if the technology is misused. The main business users of internet and email are just we can discuss: searching for information and data, sending and receiving the information, notes, memos, documents, and message. As a marketing tool to promote an organization or to facilitate e-commerce. As a recruitment tool for a basic training. These are the just business or involved in internet and email. In the fast communication, the communication between people was done either face to face, using the telephone, or by writing letter. Now we living in the world where electronic communication, or better known as the e-communication, has taken over. Think about it. When last did you go to a family or friend gathering and no one took their phones out of to message a person? This is how much electronic communication has taken over. Electronic communication refers to electronic communication refer to any data, information, word, photo, images, and symbols that are sent electronically to one or more persons. This can be done through the emails, social media, new groups, chat rooms, video conference, audio conference, instant messaging, phone and fax. With just one click on the send button, you can say hi within seconds to your friends in Spain or in America or in Uganda or in South Africa, anywhere in the world. Up to a few years ago, email was the best way to communicate with the people online. However, these days there are many other ways to communicate, allowing you to do things such as making phone call using your computer also, sharing the same message with the many people at the same time without sending the same message individually, interacting with a different platform on the internet and making comments and status or even sending message. seeing the person on the other side of the world you are talking to through video conference. These are the new modern. So, meaning of email. Meaning of email or electronic mail. Electronic mail or email is the method of exchanging the message. Is the method of exchanging the message. That means mail between people using electronic device. So, electronic email is an exchange of computer stored message by telecommunication. And the first and most popular form of electronic communication is email, which allow user to send message and file over the internet. One of the best things about email is that you do not have to wait for week to receive it. This type of email arrive moments after it has been sent. Email messages are usually encoded in American Standard Code for information interchanges. That means ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange text. However, you can also send non-text file such as graphic images and sound file as attachments sent in binary streams. Email was one of the first activities performed over the internet and is still most of popular uses. A large percent of the total traffic over the internet is email. Email can also exchange between an online service provider user and the network other than the internet, both public and private. The email is used the following way: communicating with clients or with other employees, keeping in touch with friends and family, sending the file as attachment to another person, sending marketing message to potential clients. Mailing list. A Jenny receives an email from the I will give another example for what are the mailing list. So, mail or email, just you can discuss the mailing list. Okay. A mailing list is a collection of names and address used by an individual or organization to send information or materials to multiple recipients. There are two main types of mailing list: response list and compiler list. What is response list? It means the list consists of names and addresses of people who have responded to an offer of some kind. Because these people are known responders, their names are generally priced higher than those in list compiled by other means. Next, compiler list. These lists contain the name and address of the people obtained from the telephone directories, public records, direct mail, and telemarketing companies, Campaign, etc. Telemarketing campaign or any other campaign, etc. This information is sometimes also obtained from an list broker who research, analysis, and evaluate the many individual lists available. The other type of mail list also existing there. So, team list. The mailing list that teammates use to communicate with each other within their teams. Then group list. Mailing list used by specified group of the people to communicate with each other. For example, a list of parents of each learner in the school. Event list. Mailing list communicating information around a specific event that happening, such as the upcoming athletics inter schools events. So instant messaging. The internet has changed the way in which we communicate, with the email being the most popular form of electronic communication. However, sometimes even email is just not fast enough. Let's look at the following example of understanding them better. I will give the example later. Later I will give the example. Instant message. In the smartphone based world in which we live, more people are sending message through the web based application such as WhatsApp, WeChat, Slack, live chat, Hangouts, Link, Telegram and Snapchat. These applications are short messages that are sent and read in the real time, allowing you to communicate much quicker than normal emails. There are also browser-based type instant messaging applications that do not require downloading. For example, Facebook and Gmail. These applications allow to you chat your contact whenever you are logged in. A chat and instant message are mainly used when both or all of the people are online, so that everyone can read your message instantly, hence instant message and email. On the other hand, while not seen until the recipient actually check the mail, making instant messaging much more efficient for quick messaging. Instant messaging is an online chat that allows you to exchange text message, symbols, pictures, even documents in a real time over the internet. It also allows you to see if a friend or co-worker in online, and apart from sending text messaging and files, you can also enjoy video and voice chat. Instant message usually including a list of your contact, which lets you see who is online. This type of messaging is best used when it is one-on-one communication, but it is possible to send several people messages at the same time. Web browser. There are different types of web browser available, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. Without this web browser, it will be impossible to view web pages and websites. In the past, user had download the software application to their PC, so that can be a chat, listen to music and watch video. Nowadays, all these things can be done by just opening the web browser. All you need to open a web browser to access a website, so that you can communicate social network, forums, email and population instant message service. Websites are also designed to communicate with the user, whether it is shopping site that lets their visitor know they have 70% of sales. Up to 70% of sales you can see, especially in Amazon or Flipkart or any other Snapdeal or any other sell app. So you can give the advertisement up to 70%, up to 50%, up to 80%, up to 90% also given. 70-80% of sales. You can see the Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and other any app. A small blog where one person talk about the different recipe they try out. Text and picture messaging. The text and picture messaging are very popular and are usually sent from one smartphone to another. These are, however, applications that allow you to text and send picture from your computer to smartphone. Or the other, there are way around text, picture message are fast and only take seconds to reach the other person. It is also useful to text someone if it is not possible to call the person. For example, if you are in a meeting or in the class. It is easy to send text, picture or even voice message through different applications such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Hangouts and many more. So, people can instantly send this form of multimedia anywhere in the world and it does not cost much. Video messaging. Video messaging is an easy way to making inexpensive phone call anywhere in the world and from your computer. It does not even require a very fast internet connection. Many instant messaging and chat services have voice chat and allow you to talk to friends who are online. Video chats let you see and hear friend, family or client in a real time. Whether you are talking to a friend or someone at your work, video chat can add a person touch to your chats. To decreasing the cost of making voice call, internet companies invented technologies that allow to you make voice call over the internet, VoIP. Services such as WhatsApp and Skype allow to you make free voice call to other WhatsApp and Skype user. Weblog. Have you ever wanted to create your own website but never figured out how to? Well, you can, and best of all, it's freely and quite easily. Today, it is possible to create website by creating a blog. So, what is a blog? So, what is blog? A blog is an online diary. A blog, B-L-O-G, blog, is an online diary or journal that is located on website and presented with a newest information first. It can contain text, picture, video, animated GIFs and even scan from old physical offline diaries or journals and other hand copy documents. Although it is mostly run by individuals or small groups, it can also be run by an organization promoting itself and its product service. Fax to mail. A fax is an exact copy of a document. Documents. Okay. Email as a form of e-communication. Email as a form of e-communication. Email is an electronic form of communication that is exchanged between people through computers or other electronic device such as smartphone or tablets. You need the internet to send emails. You also need software in the form of an email application that allow you to send, receive, forward and reply email message. With emails, you can also attach files such as documents, photographs and even video restricted to a certain data cap, data size. In this section, you will learn more about email, how email address are written and how the features and tools that are included in an email account. You know that email is a way to send and receive message using the internet. It is similar to traditional post but with some important differences. The figure on the left show what the email is about as well as its advantage and disadvantages. So components of email address. So to receive email you will need